Hey guys, OnePlus has finally announced the launch date for its next flagship, the OnePlus 6T. Unfortunately, it is not the October 17 date we expected. Taking to its official Twitter account, OnePlus has scheduled October 30 as the launch date for the OnePlus 6T. The event will be held in New York at 11 AM Eastern Daylight Time and will also be live streamed on the official OnePlus YouTube channel. OnePlus has also begun the sale of tickets to those who want to attend the launch. Tickets are currently priced at $20, down from its original price $30. We don't know how long the discount will last for, so if you are interested, hurry and purchase one through the link down below in the description box. Those who purchase tickets not only get to be at the event but also get hands-on experience of the OnePlus 6T, meet OnePlus community members, get exclusive merchandise, and also get a free pair of OnePlus Bullets wireless earphones worth $69. So you are definitely getting more than the $20 you are charged for the ticket. The OnePlus 6T will come with a tiny water droplet notch display, a Snapdragon 845 processor, up to 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. It will have dual rear cameras and a single front-facing camera. The biggest feature is the inclusion of an in-display fingerprint scanner. Sadly, the phone will not have the headphone jack, but it will pack a bigger battery that is a 3700 mAh. OnePlus has also confirmed that it will sell for a higher price than the OnePlus 6. So yeah, let me know, are you guys want to go there, and please make sure to subscribe for more upcoming OnePlus 6T leaks. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.